Backlink data plays a critical role in understanding a website's authority and SEO performance. The AgencyAnalytics Ahrefs integration brings this data into one centralized dashboard, making it easier to monitor backlink growth, referring domains, and overall link health. Start by opening your client's profile. From the sidebar, select Ahrefs, where the Summary tab opens by default, providing a snapshot of your client's backlink profile. Key metrics such as total backlinks, referring domains, Ahrefs rank, URL rating, and domain rating highlight overall authority and backlink strength at a glance. The backlinks chart highlights new and lost backlinks over time, making it easy to monitor changes in the site's backlink profile and identify trends in link acquisition. The top anchors by domain chart shows the most common anchor text used across referring domains, helping identify how websites are linking to your client's content. Next, open the Backlinks tab. This section lists all backlinks discovered by Ahrefs, including the link source, anchor text, link type, domain rating, URL rating, and last crawl date. Each entry also identifies whether the backlink is follow or no follow, helping evaluate the SEO value of each link. Within the Backlinks section, the new, lost, and broken tabs highlight important backlink changes. New backlinks show recently discovered links, lost backlinks identify links that are no longer pointing to the site, and broken backlinks surface links that lead to pages that are no longer accessible. Next, open the Referring Domains tab. This section lists all domains linking to your client's site, along with the total number of backlinks and domain rating, helping identify high authority sources contributing to backlink growth. Within this section, the New and Lost tabs highlight domains that recently started linking to the site or domains that have stopped linking, helping track changes in the site's referring domain profile. Lastly, open the Anchors tab. This section analyzes the anchor text distribution across backlinks, helping ensure anchor usage remains neutral and aligned with SEO best practices. Ask AI provides additional insight into backlink data. Open the Ask AI panel to generate summaries, analyze backlink trends, or surface recommendations based on the client's link profile. Questions about authority metrics, link growth, or backlink quality reveal actionable insights without manually reviewing the data. For a complete view of SEO performance, combine Ahrefs backlink insights with other AgencyAnalytics integrations like Rank Tracker, Google Search Console, and Google Lighthouse, all in one unified view. Finally, automate reporting by scheduling fully white-labeled reports with the latest backlink data, keeping clients informed without extra manual work. Bring your clients' backlink data and SEO insights together in one place. Start your free trial of AgencyAnalytics, the purpose-built platform agencies trust to deliver results.